Welcome to Wealth Center's training courses. Wealth Center is a registered company in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Wealth Center is established with a vision to educate Arab investors on trading the global financial markets. Types of trends. Trends alert us to the overall direction in which prices are moving. The prices can move up, down, or stay flat. If there isn't a current trend, prices will remain relatively the same, without price changes, and you may not be able to trade profitably. Currency trends can be categorized into three types: uptrend, downtrend, sideways trend. Trends can also be divided according to their duration: long-term, short-term, and intermediate. Uptrend. An uptrend signifies that the market is trending in the upward direction, creating a bullish market. A price rally is observed, with some periods of consolidation or movements against the prevailing trend. An uptrend is characterized by a positive rate of price change over time. The price movements on the price graph form a series of higher peaks and valleys. The trends continue until there are some changes in the conditions or value. If the general trend of the market is headed upwards, you need to be cautious about taking any positions that rely on the trend moving in the opposite direction. The EUR-USD chart is a classical example of an uptrend. The pair is continuously making higher highs, which not only indicates the trend direction but also highlights its momentum. Downtrend. A downtrend in the Forex market is characterized by a price decline, with some periods of consolidation or movements against the prevailing trend. Contrary to an uptrend, a downtrend results in a negative rate of price change over time and signals the continuation of a downward move. The price movements indicating a downtrend form a series of lower peaks and valleys in the price graph. The Forex market is not affected as much by downturns as other financial markets. As selling is such a common phenomenon in this market, it is fairly immune to downward trends in price. You trade one currency against another, which means something is always going up, even in times of financial or economic turmoil. On this chart, you can see that USD-CAD is in the downtrend. The continuous lower lows are indicating the momentum of the trend. Sideways trend. A sideways trend is a horizontal price movement between levels of support and resistance. It occurs when the market does not have a sense of direction and ends up consolidating most of the time. A sideways trend is seen as horizontal lines occurring between drops and falls in currency price. The trend can last anywhere from a couple of days to a few weeks, after which the price can rise or drop off. The direction in which a currency price moves after a sideways trend in the market is most often the original direction prevalent before the trend occurred. Currency prices can be said to behave more stably during a sideways trend. This offers an entry point for investors with targeted trading strategies. However, the common trader behavior during a sideways trend is to lay low until a new trend emerges. On this chart, the USD-CAD is trending sideways. The price in a sideways channel generally remains contained. The sideways trends are often followed by a large upwards or downwards movement.